Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Bread Cooking Show. Today's a very special day because today we are graced with the presence of fellow guest chef, Shama, and he's going to be showing us some new and interesting recipes that I haven't even tried yet, so we're all in for a really fun and exciting time.
Thanks for having me. I hope everybody likes smoothies.
I mean, who doesn't love smoothies, Shama?
We're gonna be blending some smoothies up today. First off, I call this the VBS smoothie.
Ooh.
The liquid base is apple juice.
Okay.
Pour some of that stuff in there.
All right, tell me when.
When? Animal crackers.
Oh,
Here you go.
just dump all
You
of them
just
in?
dump the whole bag in there.
Okay.
A little bit of goldfish in there.
Ooh.
A little bit of ice to chill. Don't mind if I do.
Okay. Let's see. Did you drink this when you were a kid?
Yup. VBS smoothie. Would you like to try some?
No.
More for me. Up next, for my dudes and dudettes, I'm gonna be making a youth group smoothie. First off, I like to start off with Mountain Dew.
All right. Tell me when.
I'll say when. When?
All right.
2 bags of Doritos. Dump them right in. Blend it. 1 slice of pepperoni pizza. Toss that bad boy in there.
Wonderful. Okay.
Ice to chill.
Nice, as always. All right.
This is great for camps, conferences, getaways, lock-ins.
You're gonna try this one out too?
Yup. The youth group smoothie. Delicious and nutritious. This is the second to last one, and it's the Chick-fil-A smoothie. We're gonna start off with a little bit of sweet tea. Whole cup. Waffle fries.
The whole thing?
Absolutely. Chicken nuggets.
Okay.
The Chick-fil-A sauce. And last but not least, ice to chill. This smoothie will have you saying, my pleasure. That was good. Buy it on Saturday, put it in the fridge, in the morning, blend it together. And last and definitely not least,
Thank God.
the 5000 smoothie. The base for this is living water, 5 loaves of bread. I gotcha. And then 2 fish. A little slippery.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. Sadly, that is all the time that we have today for your daily dose of the Daily Bread Cooking Show. Tune in next week, same time. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me. I can't wait to see you again.
Probably not.
What?